everyone, this is Ankit for the channel The Code Studio, and what we are doing here is we are creating a number memorizing game which generates some random values that we have to remember and later have to input them. Then what we have done till now is we have created some of our functions, that is ran a, which stores our value, show a, which shows the random values, enter a, which is used to enter some of our values, check function that is used to check whether the values stored by us or the value generated by the random function are identical or not. Now our last function, the gameplay function, that we are going to define today. So guys, let's define our last but not the least, the gameplay function. And what we are going to use in this function is a while loop that will remain active till the gameplay is equals to 1, and we are going to define this game variable sometime later. Now what we are going to do in this gameplay function is we are going to combine all the functions that we created above in a single one. So first what we have to do is clear the screen. Next we have to enter our random array. Then we have to show it to the users, and at last what we have to do is we have to enter the array, and later we have to check it. Now but the problem with this is, so now let's move to our function and define the game here. So let's define game equals to 1 for the starting of the game, and when the user enter any incorrect value we will change the game to 0. Now all the main part is done, but there is a slight problem here, that this function is not going to flash that array to us, and then it is not going to clear it at all. So let's check what our output will be. See, here we have a random array, but it is not flashing it, flashing and clearing all the screen. So let's rectify this one. So for this, all we need is a new header file which is dos.h, and in dos.h we need a particular function called delay, which will delay our execution for some time, and I'm going to delay it by 1500 milliseconds. So let's see what are we going to do now. So what we will do, we will delay it with wait and for 1500 milliseconds, and then clear the screen. So let's see what this will do. So we have 3, 8, 6, and yes, the screen clear now. 3, 8, and 6, 4, 7, 6, 8, 4, 7, 6, and 8. Okay, so here we have done now, but we just have to make a slight change and we will increase the time every time the user give a correct answer, and since the number are going to increase after a while, so all this is done now. Now since our program is working perfectly, let me show you my version of this particular game. hmm. So this is one 3 and 1 3 1 3 3060. Let's make this. So here you can see these are some minor variations that you can do with some cout and scene statements. And this color effect is, this can be done by just text color, which will change the color of your text. And you can find different colors here by just typing colors. So here are different colors that you can use in your program. These are black, blue, green, and anyone that you want to use. I'll use the green one. So thank you guys, happy coding to you, and see you soon.